Good
Good
morning.
morning.
I look like Albert Einstein. My hair is a poofy mess, but that's okay because today we are cleaning the basement.
I'm gonna do a day in our life.
Of course, we're going to be spending most of our time in the basement, which is pretty much, how we spend all our time right now.
Hope we can achieve very good things all this week because he's not working all this week, so we have time to really focus on the basement and clean it properly.
We only have today and tomorrow, though, because on Thursday we're leaving for Vermont. Unfortunately, we're going to be limited a little bit on time because of that, but that's okay. We'll get a lot done in these next 2 days. Time for breakfast.
Let's wake up! So yes, let's wake up. What Sean is going to do right now?
I'm going to finish up a video game.
And I'm gonna make some breakfast.
Mila's going to go cook, and then I'm going to go help her. I'm going to help her eat that breakfast.
For breakfast, I think that I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I was thinking just to burn, how you say, like calentar, heat up the pasta that we made yesterday. But Mr. Sean wants pancakes. Pancakes are something that him and I really enjoy eating with peanut butter and banana. Super cute. Look, who appears?
I finished managing my roster for the new football season. This is going to be quite the breakfast.
Yeah, some pasta, some pancakes. And smoothie.
I'm excited.
So this is our breakfast. We have a lot of variety here. So let's enjoy. You like it?
I am
excited?
very excited. I'm super hungry. And this is not a normal... Well, the pancakes are normal. Pasta for breakfast isn't normal, but pasta is good anytime. So we're going to eat it.
Yeah. This is the gym. We should spend more time here, but... Okay. He loves what he's doing. I can see that.
And this was one of the first rooms that we set up. And we hardly spent any time in here.
Which is no bueno.
No bueno. So we're going to start 30 minutes each day. Don't have to go crazy. 30 minutes is fine.
So, time for the basement.
Yeah, let's go. I'm feeling funky fresh.
Health is always first, right?
Right. It's the most important. Go Clemson.
Está loquito.
We did a lot of work in an hour and a half. We cleaned behind that furnace, which hadn't been touched yet, and honestly, there was so much dirt and dust. And I know that it looks like a dust cloud in here. And we still have so much dirt, but it is getting better. I see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Cleaning.
And shout out to our friend Eric, who did an amazing job. He helped us a little bit while he was here. And all of this was covered in rocks and dirt and all sorts of crap. And he did a fantastic job just to get it all scooped out.
Thank you, Eric.
Yeah, thank you very much, Eric. So we just have to go over it, with the shop vac, and that'll pretty much be good to go. I'm noticing so much just electrical stuff that is exposed. Some of it's live, some of it's not. So trying to organize all of that has been a little bit of a, not challenge, but just process. Like this right here, for instance, this, oh wait. Yep, that's a live wire. So it's a lot of work. Tons of rusty nails. You know, if you just look closely, there's so many of these rusty nails that eventually we need to just take out because they're not serving any purpose. Yeah, just really, it's every square inch. You know, you have to look at every single square inch of this basement. And when you start doing that, I mean, you notice so much stuff. Like this, for instance, look at this wire right here. That is a live wire that is exposed, and I just noticed that for the first time right now. Like the fact that that is not covered or anything, and it's going right into this live, you know, source of electricity isn't good. Not up to code. And then just random little things like this thing.
Yeah.
It's just like hanging here.
Like
so many nails.
Stuff everywhere, but it's fine. No,
Yeah.
we're gonna take a little break.
Yeah, let's go get some Subway.
We just take out that bag of dust.
Bags of dust.
I'm the best.
I said bags of dust. This is so much trash.
Yeah, we need to be very careful.
With our dog, like not getting into this stuff because there's a ton of rusty nails and everything. There's a knife right there. Look at that thing. Looks like a prison knife.
Dios. Sean always drinking his coffee.
It's warm. And it's, well, the coffee's warm and it's cold out.
Yeah, here it's very cold.
I don't think if I could save this wood for anything.
No.
I mean, some of this wood's not bad. At least for like outdoor stuff, not necessarily anything inside. Yeah,
Maybe, yeah.
this is pretty decent.
They don't look that old.
It's the nail. I mean, the nails are obviously horrible. So, a little break time.
Yeah, we need a little break.
Yeah, breathing in that dust. Even though, you know, I have the like heavy duty, fancy mask here. I still feel the dust. Definitely, it's very dirty, and it's so like I feel like we say this every single time, but it's really true that there's a never-ending dust pile in there because now we started going into the ceiling.
Parts, like
And yeah, the upper parts, the ceiling, and like little nooks and crevices, and just pulling so much dust out of there. So probably not painting today.
No, definitely not.
I think we're gonna have to wait until we get back. Also because we'll need to like leave the door open and everything to let the paint dry.
And also we're gonna have a puppy.
We're gonna have a puppy, so that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I think we'll be all right. We'll figure out a way to keep him contained while we do our painting, but I mean, we still have so much. I'm just realizing now that we have so much cleaning that we have to do before we can even think about painting.
Yeah, tomorrow and today we are
Cleaning all day.
So we are going to enjoy our subs watching a Chinese. What's the name? Hellbound?
Hellbound. And it's top 10 in Netflix right now, so leave it audio in Spanish with English subtitles.
Great. And enjoy our little subs.
Our reward. I'm excited.
We discovered a new bread that was the jalapeno cheddar.
I'm pretty sure it's actually been around for a while, but we just discovered it. So I'm excited. Should give it a nice little spicy kick.
That's very juicy.
We always ask for extra sauce.
We like them saucy.
And I always say that too. We like them saucy.
We like them. Young always is like, yeah, we like them saucy.
That's good.
Now we are going to the dumpster.
Dump.
The dump.
We're going to the dump.
Because yeah, we have a lot of trash and our own trash.
And a little bit of our own trash, but I would say that it is 95% dust and dirt that we are throwing away. I got filthy today.
Yeah, we're very dusty. And like not today we're done with the basement also. What do you think?
Yeah, probably. I might do some electrical stuff down there later. I'm just removing some old wires, but as far as like dusting and
Yeah.
that stuff, yeah, I think so.
41 p.m.
No, that's an hour fast. It's 2:30 technically.
Yeah, 2:30. So let's see what we ended up doing later. to eat chips in the river. Well, this is
By the
almost
river, not in the river.
by the river. Because look at this view. Isn't it like very cool? I love it.
Yeah, no, this is pretty awesome. The fact that this is our backyard. Wow. Pretty freaking cool. She's gonna have some chips. I'm gonna enjoy myself a nice reward beer.
We're gonna make some pasta too.
Done working for the day. We're gonna hang out by the river for a little bit. It's her sister's birthday today, actually.
At 4.
Feliz cumpleaños,
Romina.
So we're just gonna hang out for a minute before hopping on a Zoom call with the whole family. And yeah, we're done working for the day. Made a lot of progress in the basement, so show them the view that we're gonna enjoy for a little bit.
Chips. Yeah, no, this is very beautiful.
We're lucky.
We feel very grateful.
It's cold right now, but
Yeah, my hands are freezing, so I'm gonna stop recording.
bye.
Bye. So something that we normally eat when we are lazy
We eat a lot of French fries.
is fries. Fries with some, ¿cómo se llama esto? Like mayo sriracha.
Well, it's Greek yogurt, sriracha, and mayo, so I guess you could call it a sriracha aioli kind of ordeal. And it's good.
Yeah. French fries are the best. Our neighbors
Brought us a pineapple upside down cake, which, wow. I'm normally like, this isn't something that I eat a lot of. I probably have only eaten it 3 or 4 times in my entire life. But I always appreciate it.
Yeah, no, like the fact that she made all of that just for us, that
It's
says
super
a
awesome.
lot.
She's a great neighbor. She's already made us a lot of food. She also brought us over some other breads and stuff, which we have wrapped up over there. She brought us like tortellini once before.
Yeah, and where's the other breads?
They're in that box, like right over there.
Different types of bread. One is, you remember,
It's
baby?
a cranberry orange bread, and then the other one's just like a standard like loaf of white bread,
Yeah, so
but good quality.
we're gonna enjoy.
We're gonna have to do something nice in return because she's always like giving us good stuff and we haven't given her anything.
So I think that's it for today's video.
Yeah, we accomplished a lot in the basement, and originally we were planning on going down to do more, but honestly I think that we made pretty good progress today, and we don't like to spend too much time down there because we're breathing in all that dust even though we're wearing masks, so we try to limit ourselves to
No bueno.
a couple of hours. So we'll go back to it tomorrow. It's gonna be a busy day tomorrow though too, because we have to do laundry, go to Vermont for the next 4 days.
It's gonna be insane.
So it's gonna be a busy rest of the week, so we also want to recharge a little bit so we can
And get ready
through.
for our puppy.
And our puppy, my goodness, just add that to the list of things that's coming for us. So it was a good day though.
Yeah.
Very productive. We're gonna eat some upside down pineapple upside down cake now
You.
and get ready for bed.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe or hit the like button, and see you in next episode.
Bye.
Bye.